season. This cinematic comparison highlights the effectiveness of the reduction process. Every stage, every chappal, the journey begins, transforming trash into treasure. These forgotten bottles are starting their rebirth. This meticulous process is vital. Clean sorting improves the final product's strength, ensuring the quality of the future chappal. Impurities like dirt and oil significantly weaken the recycled plastic. This rigorous pre-wash ensures only uniformity is crucial here. By breaking the bottles down into consistent flakes, we guarantee a smoother, more even melting process later on.
By crushing these bottles into dense bales, we significantly reduce their volume. This efficiency is crucial for cutting down on transport emissions.
The 24-hour recycling cycle operates relentlessly, transforming waste into reusable materials throughout the night.
Welcome to deep washing, giving flakes a second life. Through flotation separation, the heated water separates the clean plastic from impurities. Once cooled and cut, these high-quality recycled pellets are ready for reuse, significantly reducing the need.
Drying the flakes, preparing for heat. We must ensure every drop of moisture is removed, as it ruins melting quality.
The consistency of the pellets, both in size and purity, is paramount to ensure the highest quality output.
Inside the melting chambers, intense pressure and high temperature combine, lowering the viscosity of the plastic until it flows like honey.
By carefully calibrating the heating zones, we ensure the polymer reaches the ideal melt viscosity. Molten plastic passes through these microfilters to remove impurities. High-pressure screens catch dust, label.
We carefully measure the pigment ratios, understanding how these colors affect the plastic's durability and resistance to sunlight. Build. This is where the future begins.
Is crucial for the final product's comfort and consistency.
The chappal shapes are stamped out by our hydraulic cutters, which are precisely controlled by CAD software, ensuring clean edges every time.
We must balance the softness of the recycled chappals with the necessary strength for impact resistance.
The robotic molds carve these intricate anti-slip textures. This precise engineering of the grip pattern is vital for
melt into strap-making molds. Machines form soft but durable straps. The precision is crucial here. Accurate. By heat sealing the strap ends, we prevent fraying and slipping. This bonding process significantly increases the lifespan.
comfort padding, adding optional layers. An added foam or EA layer made from recycled material provides.
Through edge polishing, we smooth every corner. This meticulous refinement.
Brand embossing, giving identity. We take pride in our eco products. Now, each pair carries its recycled identity.
We prioritize the well-being of our workforce. This dedication to safety mirrors our commitment to a sustainable environment.
Cutting defected pieces for re-recycling. This process highlights our zero-waste commitment.
The industry standard requires a friction co of 0.5. The current reading is excellent surface tube.
To enhance hygiene, factories apply an anti-odor treatment using natural antimicrobial solutions. Utilizing advanced solar drying techniques, we harness the sun's energy to dry our products, significantly reducing.
In our controlled warehouses, precise humidity and temperature regulation ensures the longevity of the stored goods.
By optimizing our loading process and utilizing zero-emission trucks, we are redefining sustainable shipping. The beach cleanup, where it all starts. This is a true community effort. The future chappal begins right here.
This factory brings much-needed jobs and income to the local community, ensuring economic stability for families.
The impact of recycling on pollution reduction is clear. We've seen a 50% drop in CO2, diverting tons of waste from landfills.
Introducing the finished premium recycled chappal, where sustainability and style are finally united.
Every step you tall helps the planet breathe.